the APK file type is basically a zip file for Android. Windows doesn't know what to do with it unless you install a specific emulator environment first. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the safest way to run these mobile apps on your desktop. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for APK files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. The APK file type is classified under the executable file category. The final package utilizes the framework established by Android Package File. The Android Package Kit, APK DIS, is the standard package file format used by the Android operating system for distribution and installation of mobile applications. It functions as an archive that contains all elements necessary to install an application, including code, assets, certificates, and resource files. Developed by Google for the Android platform, the format is based on the zip archive structure, but requires a manifest file and a cryptographic signature. This signature is critical. It ensures the file's integrity and verifies the developer, allowing the Android system to install the app securely. The recommended application from Google for handling APK is unequivocally Google Android SDK. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows cannot show internal logic or routines, so safe handling requires vetted applications. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the APK file and select Open With. If Google Android SDK is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If you are still having trouble opening the APK file, do not worry. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the APK error. First, enable unknown sources. On your Android device, go to Settings and enable permission for the app you are using, browser or file manager, to install unknown apps. Android blocks installation of APK files. Download it outside the Google Play Store until this security permission is manually granted. Next, check storage and integrity. Re-download the APK from a trusted source and verify you have enough free storage space on your device. The app not installed error often stems from a corrupted or incomplete APK file or insufficient storage on the Android device. Finally, check compatibility. Ensure the APK is compatible with your specific Android operating system version or hardware architecture. App crashes or installation failures can occur if the APK is incompatible with your device. If the installed programs have been fully exhausted, specialized third-party software is the required final intervention. It's time to try the proven method that opens difficult APK files. Since we tried everything on the APK format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Like the video if you want more file format fixes. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Remember to check out the FileMagick resource.